Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour charges. I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to one analysis in my last video, since the price was within this correction, exactly within here, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, two ways we can look for. One of them, we wait for the deeper correction. We get the trade within the correction, or the another option we mentioned, we can put our entry above the stop. Okay, as we can see, the reason is I mentioned we cannot buy within the correction, within the small correction is in case the price cannot go in our direction. Okay, as we can see, the price dropped, and if we refer to the 15-minute, there was opportunity to look for trade based on 15-minute, because I pointed if we want to wait for the deeper correction and we get the trade within the correction, we need to trade based on lower time frame. There was opportunity to look for buy based on this small flags, and whoever get the buy either move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade. And right now we're looking at this. Okay, now I want to see how we can look at the trade. If we move to 1 hour chart, the best things, if we wait and this one turn to more complex, at least three waves the structure. That's mean for me, if I want to look for trade, if this one give me one more drop, then we see we have a flat there, then any reversal as a sharp move flag based on lower time frame. It depends whether we get based on 1 hour or lower time frame, 15-minute, we take the trade. This is the best opportunity, because if we get one more drop, then we see there is a reversal. It can give us better confirmation for continuation, because at least we see we have a flat. But how about if the price continue from here? All right, from what we have right now, still we can put our entry above the top, which is around 35K. Okay, and if this one turn to a deeper move, that means with the price consolidate here with a for another 3 to 4 hours at least, then we can shift move our entry to above this move, this correction. The flag here, mostly we can expect to get the flag. This is the only way we can look for trade, because I mentioned in my last analysis, we don't see the reversal for confirmation as a long-term trade. That's why we try to get the short-term, and if the price is moving in our direction, is we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. This is what I explained in my last analysis. Okay, then if we want to look for trade, the best option is if we get one more drop, then from there we see we have a flat, then any reversal from there we take the trade. And if the price, in case the price continue from here, it doesn't give us one more drop, that means it doesn't turn to a deeper move, still we can put our entry above the top, which is somewhere, I mean, around 35K, or even we can just try to adjust this one. It depends on the traders whether we can put somewhere between 34500 and 335K. That's mean or entry can be somewhere between 34,500 or 35K. Okay, and we should know that what we wanted, if I put this one here, we should know that what we want, if we want to put our entry somewhere between this range, we want in case the price continue as a short move. If the price continue as a corrective move, even if we get the trade, we are not going to keep the trade. We should take out the trade. All right, what we want the sharp move similar to what we get here, or similar to what we have here. Okay, and if the price consolidate here, or we see another 3 to 4 hours, the price give us a flag, then mostly we put our entry somewhere around 34,500. Okay, but for me the best option, if we can expect this one to give us one more drop, then from there we can get a entry with we can look for the trade within the correction. At least we see the correction and deeper correction here. And if we move to forward chart, this is what I explained, that if we get the correction here, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. And the only thing is everything is similar to what I explained in my last analysis. We try to look for the trade setup, and if it's moving our direction, we keep the trade. If not, we are not going to keep the trade for long term. That means if we get any trade setup by having entry above the top, similar to any of this two, if the price, we want the price break and continue, if the price tag we see is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. But if we get one more drop, we see the flat, we get the trade within the bigger correction, then we wait for 2 to 4 hours. All right. Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup buying right now. I don't suggest it, similar to what I explained when the price was within this move. And the only thing is either we put our entry above the top or we wait for one more drop. And we should know that having entry above the top is really risky. Simply the price can tag and drop. Okay. And if we move to daily chart, we mentioned we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. This is what we want. We want that this is the reasons why we're looking for the trade, because if the price move in our direction, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us really good trade setup, but we don't see the confirmation yet. All right, that's mean if the price consolidate here for deeper move, the price cannot continue as a sharp move. The next down move also we can expect, and if the price drop the next down move, it can give even the price drop to 225, somewhere around 25k. Okay, that's why I mentioned if we get a trade, if it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank